So I thought, let me try this Dawn Power Watch just for fun. I want to see how this works. I'm cleaning the tower garden and I sprayed all this and like 10 minutes ago. And then, oh my gosh, look at that. Okay. I'm only doing this one hand, but this works. Listen, I'm gonna go to somebody's house randomly and I'm gonna clean their tower garden and I'm gonna make a video and I'm gonna title it, I cleaned a stranger's nasty tower garden, because I'm not kidding you, this is kind of fun. I'm enjoying this and all the crud is coming off like so easily. I think, wouldn't that be a cool video? I feel like it would get like a ton of views, but it would also be super fun to do. Just, hey, knock on your door. Hey, and I'm gonna clean your tower garden, your nasty, cruddy summer tower garden. I'm gonna clean it for you for free, and we're gonna make a video. And it'd be like those people that like mow lawns for people and stuff. So I just may do it one of these days when I got nothing better to do. Let's see if that helps. Yeah, I think that's coming off nicely. I love this crevice tool. This thing works amazing. And if you're scrubbing, if you're using the Dawn Power Spray on a tower that has plants in it, then you want to spray from this side and spray away from the hole, because you do not want soap in your tower. Soap will hurt your plants. And I know that a lot of you are gonna say to me, oh my gosh, I can't believe you're using these toxic chemicals on your tower. I get it. Like, I do have some aversion to that too. But, you know, good, better, best. Let me go get the hose. That's Narwhal right there. Hi, Narwhal. You know, good, better, best. Like, what do we have access to? What can we afford? What is going to get the job done and allow us to move on with our lives? Look at that. Look how beautifully that worked. The crevice tool and the Dawn Power Spray. It is clean, 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 clean. So yeah, it's a winner. I'm gonna go and finish cleaning my tower. Look, my dog caught a squirrel. He's so ferocious, he took the stuffing right out of it. No squirrel is safe in this yard.